Newest potato gun, potato cannon, twice the size of the previous potato gun. We're going to fire it with using starting fluid. Hold on to your horses, or your wieners, or your tits, whatever you want to hold on to, because I'm going to blast the shit out of something. Hold on, I'm spraying now. Spraying ether into the chamber, as in our previous video. There is the potato cannon with Swins. Holy fuck balls! Josh A. Mueller, Swins and Reed. It's a little dark outside, but you get the picture. These potato guns are for purchase on my eBay store. Contact Josh A. Mueller or comment on the video. All major credit cards accepted. For the Potato Gun Association, this is Josh A. Mueller and Shane Wacken at Wins and Reed signing off. Tune in next for the Late Late Show with Craig Ferguson. Over and out. 10-4. Good buddy.